Welcome to New Spaces, ladies and gentlemen. We're here today gathered in the Lindale neighborhood. Allie and I are here to discuss our latest transformation for New Spaces. What you'll see here is something that you probably have not seen before. We've taken a 1906 Foursquare and taken it in a slightly different direction. The main features of this project that you will see, something that is very seldom done, reconfiguration of a staircase that made all the difference for this kitchen. You also see things that people talk about but not always execute on. Removal of the actual chimney that housed a very generous space in the kitchen. All of these things helped us make this home into something that people want to live in today. Opening things up. Allie, our lead designer, worked with our homeowners, and the interesting part of this project is that our homeowner was actually much part of the actual design development process. They had a vision that they came to us with. We refined and we helped them take this home in the direction to make this their forever home. The main feature here is the complete reconfiguration of the rear entry staircase. We created a new entry into the main level, and all of these things open things up. You're going to see details, millwork, trim. You're going to see a space plan that is brilliant in an older home, things that you don't see every day. Welcome to New Spaces. Come meet with me and Allie, and we'll show you exactly how this happened.